Bonjour. I am going to demonstrate how to cook saumon en papillote, which translates to salmon cooked in a wonderful parchment paper with vegetables of your choice and really herbs, and you can add everything that you like. It is going to be cooked inside the paper, and all the flavors would be conserved. And also, you don't have to, the best part is that you don't have to clean a pan, and your kitchen will not smell like salmon the next day. Salmon is wonderful, but it can make a kitchen smell fishy for a few hours. So here we are. This is a wonderful salmon that we're going to cook. It is very thick and lovely. We are going to put some carrot strips, some spinach. This is what I have in the refrigerator, but feel free to put green beans or celery. We're going to add a few drops of lovely Italian olive oil, the best. Now we're going to season the vegetables a little bit, just a little bit. So this is garlic salt, but you can put just plain salt if you prefer. You put the salmon in the length like that, and of course it gets its own sprinkling of salt and pepper. Voila. And now I am going to put the equivalent of let's say 2 teaspoons of very good butter on top, and we're going to put some sweet peppers for the look, and why not parsley. Voila. So we are going to fold. This is the critical part of the whole cooking en papillote. You have to fold very, very well, very tightly, at least 3 times, otherwise the steam will undo the knots. If you don't feel confident, you can put some strings, but it's unnecessary. So I'm going to cook that for 3 minutes and 45 seconds in the microwave, and it should be very nice. Done, just not overdone, not underdone. It should be just perfect. All right, so this is our papillote that is just out of the microwave, and please be very careful. The steam will burn your fingers. Let it sit for a few minutes before you open it. The steam will be extremely hot. So this is a meal, and I am going to plate it just for fun. We are going to keep all that good butter and olive oil that is now seasoned with the vegetables. And we're going to put some thin slices of lemon. Voila. And I made some spicy aioli, which is a French way of spicing the mayonnaise with garlic and lemon. Here we go. Bon appetit. Oh, it smells so good.